Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound output problem. To fix the no sound output problem in Windows 11, you can try the following solutions. First, what you have to do is check for the volume settings. On the bottom, there's this icon. We could see the sound option. Tap on, click on that and look out for the volume. And make sure the volume is not muted and is set to an audible level. And you could also check the audio output device. What you have to do is simply right click on the sound icon in the taskbar and select open sound settings. And after that, under output, you could see select the correct audio for it. Or you could also try updating your audio drivers. You could try clicking Windows key plus X at the same time. And after that, select the device manager over here, maximize it, and click on the audio inputs and outputs over here and check if it's in the right form. Or you could also try to start the Windows audio service. What you have to do is simply click the Windows key plus R at the same time and type services.msc. After typing this, click on the OK option. An option like this will open. You could also try restarting your computer if it's not helping, and this might can solve some troubleshoots as well. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.